Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a recipe with marinated ribs. It's super easy to make, delicious, and everybody will love it. First of all, subscribe to my channel and let's prepare the marinade. First, 1 apple. Let's take a toothpick and let's make holes in all the apple. And let's add it into a bowl and send it into a microwave for 5 minutes. Now let's cut out the seeds and take out the apple from the peel. You can blend it too. Now let's add 1 or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And now let's add 100 milliliters of tomato paste, 1 tablespoon of canela, and 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, and then a little bit of powder pepper and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of honey and 3 garlic cloves, which are minced. And then let's mix it all together. Now let's take 1 kilogram of ribs and put them in a bowl and add the mixture and mix it all together. Let them sit for about 1 hour in the fridge. Now let's add some oil in a baking pan and place the ribs. Now let's add some saran paper on top and close the pan and send it into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. After the 15 minutes, let's take out the wrap and bake it for 15 minutes. When they're all done, let's serve it hot. They're delicious, super easy to make, few ingredients needed, and an amazing recipe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, try it out and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.